Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unmute someone's notes on Instagram. Let's get started. First off, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Then look for the option Muted Accounts and click that. And in this page, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've muted. To unmute someone, simply tap on Unmute. And then you can choose which types of content you'd like to keep muted or unmute. If you only want to unmute notes, just turn off the feature next to Mute Notes. But if you also want to unmute or mute posts and stories, you can also configure it right here. And that's how you can simply unmute someone's notes on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!